Do you know exactly what's in the food you eat every day? How can you be sure you're making healthy choices when shopping? Nutrition labels are your secret weapon. In this video, we will discuss how to read and understand a nutrition label so you can make smarter choices for your health. Let's dive in. Start with serving information. The first thing you need to check on a nutrition label is the serving size. This number tells you how much of the food the nutritional values are based on. It's important to understand this because the serving size is often smaller than what most people eat in one sitting. For example, if the serving size is 1 cup but you eat 2 cups, you're actually consuming double the calories and nutrients listed on the label. This is how manufacturers sometimes trick you into thinking you're eating fewer calories than you really are. Always keep the serving size in mind to avoid overestimating how healthy a food item is. Check the total number of calories. Calories measure how much energy you get from food. If you're trying to lose weight or just stay healthy, knowing how many calories you're eating is important. Check the calories per serving, and if you're eating more than 1 serving, make sure to multiply those calories by how many servings you're consuming. It's easy to forget that those numbers can add up quickly, especially with processed foods, so being mindful of your total calorie intake is a key part of healthy eating. Some nutrients should be avoided. When looking at a nutrition label, there are certain nutrients you need to be careful with. These are the nutrients that, when eaten in excess, can harm your health. Here's what to keep an eye on. Fat. Not all fats are bad, but saturated and trans fats should be avoided as they increase the risk of heart disease. Unsaturated fats, like those in olive oil and nuts, are healthy but should still be eaten in moderation. Sugar. Too much sugar adds empty calories and can lead to weight gain and energy crashes. Aim to avoid foods with more than 5 grams of sugar per serving, especially sugary drinks and snacks. Dietary fiber. Fiber aids digestion and helps you feel full. Aim for at least 25 grams a day, and choose foods with 5 grams or more of fiber per serving, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Look at the ingredient list. Don't skip the ingredient list. This is where you can really find out what's in your food. Ingredients are listed in order from most to least. So if sugar or any type of fat is listed near the top, it means that food contains a lot of it. If you're watching your intake of certain ingredients or if you have allergies, checking this list is crucial. It will give you a clearer picture of what you're really eating and help you avoid hidden sugars or artificial additives. Understand the percentage of daily value. The percentage of daily value, DV, tells you how much of a specific nutrient is in 1 serving of food, based on what you need in a whole day. If a nutrient has 20% or more of the daily value, it's considered high in that nutrient. If it's less than 5%, it's considered low. For example, if a food has 20% of your daily value of vitamin C, it means you're getting a significant portion of your daily needs from that 1 serving. This percentage can help you choose foods that are rich in nutrients you may be missing in your diet. Compare foods. Once you know how to read a nutrition label, you can start comparing similar foods from different brands. This is especially useful when shopping for things like cereal, snacks, or frozen meals. You might find that one brand offers lower calories, more fiber, or fewer unhealthy fats than another. By comparing labels, you can make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor or convenience. For example, you might choose a plant-based burger over a beef burger because it's lower in fat and calories. Making dietary compromises. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to completely cut out all the foods you love. You can still enjoy your favorite meals in moderation, as long as you balance them out with healthier choices throughout the day. For example, if you have a high-calorie treat, make sure the rest of your meals are packed with nutritious foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Using the daily value percentages, you can figure out how to enjoy a balanced diet that includes both healthy foods and the occasional indulgence. Understanding the nutrients in your food will make it easier to create meals that support your overall health without feeling restricted. Understanding how to read a nutrition label is key to making healthier food choices. By focusing on serving sizes, calories, and ingredients, you can make smarter decisions while shopping and stay on track with your health goals. Next time you're at the store, take a moment to check the label. It's a small habit that can lead to better eating and a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life.